My name is Shine. I'm the girls prefect of AA Fia High School. We are appealing to government and the GES to provide us with infrastructures. Because we don't have science laboratory, we find it difficult to have science practicals. So we now have to go to other schools to have practicals, and this is really affecting our studies. Teachers also don't have accommodations on campus, so they find it difficult coming here to supervise us during prep hours and school hours. So we are appealing to government and the GES to provide us with all our needs.
Another project that has been left here for 25 years, supposed to be the science lab complex, like the chemistry, biology, physics, and then the home economics kind of thing. But it's been here, left here. We have science introduced in the school. We have to do science practicals at Abo or the nearby schools. This has been here for years, and we hope that it should be put into good use by completing it and handing it over to the school for use. We plead to the government and to whoever is interested in education of a Ghanaian child to come to our aid and complete this project for us to use. Thank you.
Mia Tokyo